So there's been debate in the industry whether the transport and switching layers in the network should be just fat dumb pipes. And a lot of that is fueled by the amount of broadband growth, both in residential and also in enterprise and data center connectivity in the cloud. Ciena believes that this accelerated growth in broadband, both in metro, regional and long-haul networks, is driving the need for greater intelligence in these networks, and it's based around three fundamental technologies. One is our coherent optics, two is the OTN or virtual switch containers for optical and Ethernet transport, and the third is an intelligent control plane. Having an intelligent infrastructure is absolutely key on several fronts for our customers. One is driving resilience, one is improving the capital costs, one is improving the efficiency so there's no stranded or idle bandwidth that they build in their networks, and finally is really ensuring there's a correct amount of automation and operational controls in the network to reduce the operational costs for our service provider customers. Ciena has been significantly enhancing our capabilities on multiple fronts in building an intelligent infrastructure, be it in control plane, now rolling out our control plane software not only on our 5400 products, our Quarter-Rector products, but also in our 6500 transport products, so an integrated approach. Applying our coherent optics, where Ciena has led the way in both 40 gig and 100 gig platforms, both in commercial service today. Why this is important for Australia is like any other country in the world. Australia is seeing a phenomenal growth in broadband services, both in consumer through wireless broadband, with the advent of NBN rolling out, equally in enterprises with cloud computing and data center services increasing, putting more controls and putting more flexibility into the metro, regional and long-haul networks will create greater opportunities and flexibilities for our service provider customers.